VPN is short for Virtual Private Network. Think of your home network or your office network as private networks. Through a VPN connection, your computer, tablet, or smartphone is able to securely connect with others on the internet as if they were part of the same private network. In the olden days, VPN was used by corporate employees to access their offices while remote, when they needed to access sensitive information in a secure way. In time, VPN technology became available for regular internet users. It helps people from all over the world connect in a secure way. VPN allows you to have your connection encrypted and secure, to become anonymous online, and to keep your traffic data private and safe from hackers, government censorship, and other dangers of the internet. VPN also helps you get access to blocked content. Because of geolocation, some online content, such as videos, music files, news, search engines, and so on, may be unavailable from certain countries and locations. Using a VPN service allows you to log into a server located in a place from where the content is available. And voila, you have access to previously blocked content. This is especially significant for those who live in countries where the government is restrictive and censors online content and information from the outside world. VPN technology helps people in these countries get vital information and talk to the world, thus making their problems visible to the international community. They live in an information blocking cage. And with our VPN service, we give them one of the keys to more freedom. So, to recap, VPN technology gives you privacy, freedom, and security. And this is incredibly useful when you do your online banking, use Wi-Fi hotspots, shop online, access media, or secure your communication.